What's happening, warriors? Today I have gameplay footage from No Pay No Gain 3, Operation Judgment Day. In this first game mode called Kill Confirm, my team, Western Republic, attempt to take out as many Eastern Alliance players just before the time runs out. As the battlefield commander of the Western Republic, I do my part in ensuring the survival of my soldiers. I spot a downed teammate. One of the rules in Kill Confirm is that you are allowed to revive a teammate that is down. With Robin now revived, I asked him where his direction of fire was before he got hit. And that's where I spotted an Eastern Alliance troop. I hit back as that cover was just too tiny for a two-man team. As Robin rushes to take out two Eastern Alliance troops behind that cover, I cover him by providing support fire.
Back down! Back down!
Something's not right here. I squeezed the trigger, but the stone guidon just wasn't firing.
Blaster down, boy. LiPo wire broke.
With the LiPo wire now severed, I switched to my trusty White Guardian.
Whoa, what the heck? Raining balls, man.
Have you ever been rained by balls before? Thanks, Blaze, for the revive. As Fuad revives me, we laugh at how fast I got tagged.
Hey, sorry. Oh, my finger! Ow!
With time running out, I made a mad dash to try to take out as many Eastern Alliance troops as I can. The moral of the story from this game mode: wear better shoes and bring a spare blaster. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.